The boys helped me tear the engine out of side by side. We're going to clean it up. It's like 19 degrees outside, so we can't really do too much. So we know that the engine works. I think we just clean her up. Tried a couple of different things to see what works best. She seems to be brightening up. She ain't got to be perfect. We just want it clean so we can see what happens. I don't know if I'm going to tear it down anymore since it's running. Maybe we'll just change oil a few more times and all the other fluids and run it. Possibly throw a new belt on there, depending on how this one looks. It don't look terrible, but probably just as easy to throw a new belt on while we have it. So we'll grab a new belt, maybe take this stuff apart and clean up inside of there too. Shiny. Well, Cap and Deuce took over the cleaning. She said I wasn't doing good enough fast enough. She said she was going to clean it and make it right. So I'm going to let her clean it now. She says just get out of the way and let me do it. So alright, doggo. How about her? Give it hell. Alright, we'll see you when it's clean, doggo. Got new tires for the side-by-side. Gabe's putting them on for us. Gotta have fresh treads. Back together now that it's cleaned up some. Now we gotta inspect the carburetor and see if it's dirty or clean and see if we need to rebuild it, clean it, or anything like that. We'll take it off again in case look how dirty it is in there. So we don't want all that in our engine, do we? No? Alright, well let's take some of these jets out so we can clean them up. Now that Gabe helped me put all this together, I guess we can put it back into the side-by-side, and that way we can move it around. A little easier to move it around when you have an engine in it. You don't have to push the damn thing. So the back here looks all pretty well cleaned up. Don't look too bad. Not much rust or anything. Engine's back in. I'm pretty sure I got everything hooked up. You see that now, and then of course everything's gonna miss something. Battery plugged back in. Got the gas primed up to the fuel filter. Let's push it back down to the door. Throw some starting fluid at it. See if it's got enough to kick over. If not, we'll get the truck and jump start the battery. There we go. This one, it no longer does cabling things. So let's put it in gears. We'll put it in neutral for now. And what else do we need? Oh, the brake. The emergency brake. It's supposed to have a thing here. And it's not here. So there's nothing for this to hold on to. So you can't have an e-brake without that part. Other than that, I think we have most of our functional parts. Master Mechanic Deuce on the case. He says, gonna tear it apart. I'm gonna drive it around now that it's working. She's ready to drive. She says, just leave it alone. Now we're gonna tear it apart, fix it up. So let's get started doing that. Put the doggo to work. There we go. Convertible. Yay. First spot that has actual damage. This plastic's all smashed up from this fuel selector. It's on off shut off with a reserve shut off or reserve setup too. I don't know. We're just gonna take it off and take it apart and see what we got. See if we can fix it. So we don't want to buy new plastic unless we have to. There it went. There, that's off. So yeah, some kind of shut off with two different valves. That's just off and on and reserved and all that kind of stuff. Alright, let's get the rest of this plastic crap off of here. Checking things out here, fun little fact, this thing has a security system. There's your lock and unlock button, or your activate and activate button. It has its own siren, and it actually works. We've set it off a few times on myself here. But it's pretty neat. They just find all this stuff in there. Got her tore down. We're going to clean her all up, check everything over, see what we got going on. All this so far look pretty good. We're going to double, triple check, make sure everything looks happy. Nothing's all screwed up or anything. What else did we have? Oh, I did find that cable was ripped. So yep, that would be the culprit. Need a new one of those. So we'll grab a new cable and should be back in business. No big deal. We have it all tore off. Let's get it all cleaned up, dial it in, fix what we can, and start from there. So I guess it'll be the end of the teardown video.